Hey, what's up people? This is Akash and welcome to my YouTube channel. Well, you guys know I cater to 3 different kinds of audience on this channel. I make videos on tech, travel and food. And due to this COVID-19 pandemic, going out and making videos on food and travel is almost near impossible. But you know what? The show must go on. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna order food at home and I'm gonna review them based on taste, packaging, quantity and all those things. So today's video is best biryani in Bangalore and you can also call it BBB. I wanted to make this video a long time ago but it did not happen. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna order biryani from different places and I'm gonna judge them based on the quality of the rice, fragrance, quantity, tenderness of the meat and the taste, obviously the taste. And these places have been chosen based on Zomato reviews and recommendation from friends and family. Before I start the video, we should also talk about the history of biryani. Well, talking about the history of biryani, there are 2 stories from where biryani has come to exist. The first one is it has come from the Mughals. Shah Jahan's wife Mumtaz once visited the army barracks and she found her soldiers were very weak and malnutrition. So she ordered her Shahi chef to make something which will give them energy. He came up with a mixture of rice, spices and meat together. So that is nothing but biryani. There is another story which is that biryani dates back even before the Mughals, as early as 2nd AD. There is a mention of a dish called onsuru in the Tamil scripture, which is nothing but rice, spices, ghee and meat mixed together, and this was also fed to the military for strength. Well, there is a high chances that biryani has come from the Tamilians. I hope my mom also thought biryani is so nutritious. Now talking about the name biryani, it comes from Persian word which is biryan, which means that something fried before cooking. Now let's not waste any time, I'm very hungry. Let's order the food and taste it and review it. While I wait for my biryani to arrive, let's talk about the different kinds of biryani you get in different places, different regions of India. Like if you go to Kolkata, you will find Kolkata style dum biryani which comes with a big size aloo. That's the trademark. If you come down to south and Kerala, you have Talasheri style biryani. Karnataka, you have Donne style biryani. From Tamil Nadu, you have Dindugul style biryani, and from Andhra, obviously, you have Andhra style biryani. So these are the different kinds of biryani you get in India. There are a lot more. If you go to like Lucknow, you will get Lucknowi biryani and all those things. To be fair, today I've ordered chicken biryani with bone and I've ordered from the following places. One is the Talasheri restaurant, then Meghna Food, Nagarjuna, Dindugul Talapakati style biryani if I'm pronouncing it right, and Donne Biryani House. So these are the 5 places I'm going to review today. I wanted to order biryani from other places too, but then they were not delivering to Korumangala. I'm sure that they are equally good as these, but I'm gonna review only these 5 and I'm gonna rate them out of 1 to 5 according to my preference, what I like.
A few moments later.
Well, after a long wait, my food is finally here. So these are all the chicken biryanis which I ordered. This is from Dindugul Talapakatti. This one is from Nagarjuna. This one is from Meghna Foods. And I'm actually not sure. Oh, this is the Donne biryani from the Donne Biryani House, and this must be the Talasheri style biryani. Well, before I open anything, the most important thing to do is sanitize all these. Well, finally I've sanitized all these boxes, and first thing I'm going to talk about is the packaging, the quality of packaging. I'll start with Nagarjuna first. What I can see is they have customized packaging over here. They have the color, color matches with the logo, and it looks like an ice cream box. Very nice. Next is the Donne Biryani from the Donne Biryani House. This is a very generic box made up of plastic. You can buy it in bulk. After that, this is the Dindugul style Talapakatti biryani. Even they have customized packaging. It is made of paper and there's no box inside this. Even these are very generic and they've just printed their name on it. After this is Talasheri style biryani from Talasheri restaurant. This is also a very generic box and nothing special about it. Finally, here we have biryani from Meghna Foods. They have again customized packet. This is not a box, rest everything came in a box. This is a packet, and they have all their information where they have branches and etc. So that's all about packaging. If I have to select my favorite, I would say Nagarjuna, because they've done some kind of customization and it looks very nice amongst all of these. Next, we're gonna weigh all of these and understand what is the quantity. There can be some variation because of the quality of the box, the amount of rice, the meat, weight of the meat and all those things. So first, I have a kitchen weighing scale over here. I'm going to weigh the Nagarjuna biryani. Okay, so this weighs almost 705 grams, 700 grams, including the box. Next, we have the Donne biryani from Donne Biryani House. This one weighs 481 grams, including the box. Then this is the Dindigul style Talapakatti biryani. Okay, this one weighs 603 grams with the paper box. After this, we have the Talasheri biryani. This one weighs 541 grams. And finally, we have the biryani from Meghna Foods. This one weighs 901 gram. So amongst all of these, this one has the highest weight, and this is not even packed in a box, so I can't even say it's including the weight of the box. Well, now it's the most important time, which is the tasting time, and I'm gonna start from the Nagarjuna. So this is Andhra style biryani. So this is made out of basmati rice. I'm gonna have, you know what, to have biryani now you're supposed to use your hand. With spoon you don't get the fun. The first taste I get is of spice. It's quite spicy, and Andhra biryani is actually known for its spicy taste. And this is cooked in dum. Very nice, very aromatic biryani. Now let's try the meat out, how tender the meat is. It looks well cooked. Very tender, very soft. Next, we have the Donne style biryani from Donne House. Biryani House. This one is not made up of basmati rice. They actually use small normal rice to make this. So let's have this one. This one, so Donne biryani is usually green in color. So not so spicy, very mild in its taste. Let's have the meat, chicken. Even the chicken is cooked evenly, good, but it is not as tender as the Nagarjuna chicken. Up next, we have the Dindigul style Talapakatti biryani. Dindigul is a place in Tamil Nadu, and there you get this kind of biryani. So let's take this piece out and some rice. What I can see is that they also have egg in this biryani. Nice, good. Wow, this is, well, till now the best biryani I had. Very aromatic, very tasty. Right level of spices. Very good. Let's have the meat. Well, the meat is not as tender as the Donne Biryani House or the Nagarjuna Biryani, but it's good. This is the Talasheri style biryani from Kerala. There's a place called Talasheri in Kerala, and that place is known for this kind of biryani. The rice is completely white because the chicken is cooked separately and the rice is cooked separately, and then they are put it in dum. So you're supposed to mix all the masala from the chicken and have the rice. The rice is like ghee rice, very nice. So like I said, you have to mix the masala from the chicken and have the rice. And even this is very good. The rice is flavorful. You get a very rich taste of ghee from it. And let's have the chicken now. So the chicken is not so tender. I'll tell you why. Because they usually fry the chicken and then they make the curry of that chicken. So this will be a little hard. But taste wise, this will taste better than all the other chicken you will find in the biryani. Up next is the very famous Meghna biryani. This is one biryani which a lot of people suggested to try. I'm gonna do that. So the first thing which I see is a big leg piece. And if you remember, this is the biryani which weighed the most. It was around some 900 grams. And this is purely Andhra style biryani. Let me taste the biryani, and I could see the quality of rice is basmati, like it is basmati, and the quality of rice is the best amongst all 5 of these. Very flavorful. Each and every grain of the rice is it's separated from each other, and it's quite oily and greasy, but when you are eating biryani, you have to forget about calories. Let's eat the chicken, the leg piece. The meat is tender, well cooked, very nice. Spices are very good inside it. Very nice. Well, after having all the yummy biryani, let's come to the most important part of this video, which is the ratings. Well, the ratings is something like this: 5 being the least and 1 being the top number 1. Okay, so I'll go from 5 to 1. So at 5 we have the biryani from Donne Biryani House, the Donne chicken biryani, Donne style chicken biryani. Well, I had very high expectations from this biryani, but unfortunately it did not live up to it. So it is at number 5. At number 4, we have the biryani from Nagarjuna, the chicken biryani from Nagarjuna. Well, again, I had high hopes from that too. It is nice. The quality of the rice is really good. The pieces were nice. But the problem is that it was just spicy. I did not get any other flavors from it. So it's at number 4. At number 3, we have the chicken biryani from Talasheri restaurant, the Talasheri style chicken biryani. Very aromatic rice. I really like the chicken. Though amongst all the 5, you get the best chicken from Talasheri. It is very flavorful. Well, at second place, it was a very tough competition between the first and the second. You know, it was really hard for me to decide. But at second place, we have the chicken biryani from Dindukul Talpakati restaurant. The Dindukul style biryani. Very flavorful, very aromatic biryani. The pieces were also good. The only thing is that they could have improved on the quantity for the price they charge. But then it's a very nice biryani. You should definitely try it out. So it's quite obvious the number 1 is the chicken biryani from Meghna Foods. Very aromatic, very nice, right on quantity. The pieces were good, the rice, the quality of the rice was nice, and the flavors were amazing. Well, that's all for today's video, and I hope you like it. This was made during the peak of, like, in between the lockdown, and for some reason it got delayed. So if you have liked the video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, share this video with all the foodies, all the biryani lovers in your contact, and spread love. And I hope you guys are all safe during this pandemic. And I'll be back with another video very soon. Till then, bye bye, take care, and have lots and lots of fun.